Oh man, I'm here in low light. Look at that. I got like, that is pork. Yeah, pork chops. Pork chops? No. So and then Echo is here. Echo is here outside with me to go potty, but he is freezing. He says he wants to go back inside. Because the problem here right now, it's snowing. I don't know if you can see this. It's snowing. Holy moly. It's snowing. It's March and it's snowing. I mean, what? You can see here on the table how we have the snow laying here. Right? And then here is my camera setup. Look at that. How is this supposed to do a time lapse when snow goes onto the thing, you know? Yeah. I'm glad I have my gazebo here. Man, I have to get grass seeds out over here, all over the place. Man. Okay, so my meat was a little cold. Oh no! No fire! I don't like fire on it. Look at this, how it got, how it's burning already. Yeah, this is, you know, pork. Maybe it's a little too hot here, but let's see how this goes, right? Whoa! Maybe it's a little too hot here, but it's freezing out and it's a snowstorm. Look at this. I'm grilling out here in a freaking snowstorm. Look at the dog. Look, he has snow all over him. Look at that. He's supposed to keep me warm. I do hear an airplane. It's flying by here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? What happened? Isn't it amazing? What is he doing? Oh, he's playing with his ball. He's like all excited here. Oh man. What's happening? Yeah, it's a little bit fire there. Not much though. You have to be careful. When I open this up, the cold wind is going in there. And it's cooling my meat down. That's not good for the meat. We need constant heat. That's how that goes. I mean, look at this. Yeah, so I'm on low light mode right now. And not sure if you can see this behind me here. How much snow there is, how much snowstorm there is. Crazy. Yeah, I have to look only once in a while that I don't have a fire underneath. Here, I need to move one piece over a little bit that it doesn't have fire underneath. The pieces look already cooked. They're very fast in cooking here, I think. I don't want to burn them though. That's what I don't want. I don't want them burned. Yeah, pretty. Yesterday we had the other ones that I got from Costco, like a whole bunch, and yesterday were this thick. It was too much. That was too much. It took too long to cook. Delicious though, but okay. Too long to cook. Now we have those are a little thinner. Probably easier. Right. I'm getting wet. My back is getting wet from the snow. Oh, jeez, I don't have the right clothes on to be here for too long. What now? What can I do? What can I do? I'm here, I'm waiting for the food to get ready. Look at the car. The car is already full of snow. Can I zoom into this? No. Wait. I want to know how you change the zoom. Can you change to zoom? No. How does this work with the zoom thing?